Garlic is one of the most popular vegetables in the world due to its unique taste and aroma. It is used in both raw and processed, fried, pickled, powder or paste form. For instance, garlic paste is a product that allows preserving the active volatile constituents of garlic, increasing its economic value, and simplifying its use. This form of use also contributes to efficient processing of garlic, which is important for increasing the cost-effectiveness of its production. Garlic paste has a number of benefits. It is a product that contains all the essential nutrients, including fats, proteins, carbohydrates, and vitamin C. Owing to its long-term storage, practicability, and affordable price, the paste holds a significant position in the food market. The main consumers of this product include households, restaurants, hotels, food manufacturing facilities, and street food vendors. It is particularly important that the paste allows avoiding the unwanted taste and smell of raw garlic and increases its antioxidant activity. This is achieved by proper processing, which includes temperature control to deactivate natural enzymes in garlic. However, the production of high-quality garlic paste depends not only on the raw stuff, but also on the choice of the appropriate grinding equipment. Garlic is a rather bulky and perishable product, which makes it difficult to process. In order to achieve a homogeneous paste consistency, it is necessary to use efficient equipment that ensures maximum grinding and homogenization. In order to address this task, GlobeCore professionals have developed a technology for grinding of garlic into paste with the use of Colloid mills. The operation principle of Colloid mills is based on the rotor-stator system. Upon entering the mill's operating chamber, garlic is exposed to complex mechanical effects. During operation, the rotor rotates at a high relative speed, which may reach 50 meters per second. This results in dispersion, emulsification, homogenization, and grinding of garlic at an intensive rate, which allows obtaining a high-quality paste. In addition, GlobeCore colloid mills offer a number of other advantages. These include the ability to adjust the rotor-to-stator gap, which allows varying the final product characteristics. Cooling system, owing to which the processing zone temperature never rises above a critical level, which allows you to preserve all the nutrients contained in garlic. All the components that come into contact with garlic are made of stainless steel, which ensures the purity of final product. Wide capacity range from small mills with a capacity of several tens of liters per hour to industrial mills with a capacity of thousands of liters per hour. Compact sizes and easy maintenance. GlobeCore colloid mills are easy to integrate into the existing process lines of food manufacturing facilities, as well as easy to clean and wash. And what kind of equipment do you use for garlic grinding during garlic paste production? Share your experience of using such equipment in the comments section. More information on the GlobeCore garlic paste production technology and equipment can be found by following the link in the first comment or visiting our website, www.globecore.com.